Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how Topic's made. Be there step by step.
Welcome to the inside of the Lay's factory, a place where over 1 million potato chips are made every single hour. Our journey begins at the heart of the process, freshly harvested potatoes arriving from farms. Every truck brings tons of potatoes, which are unloaded and immediately moved into the sorting line. Advanced sensors separate damaged potatoes to make sure only the best ones enter production. Next, the potatoes are washed in powerful water jets to remove every bit of dirt. After washing, they move into high-speed peeling machines that remove the skin perfectly within seconds. Once peeled, the potatoes enter the slicing stage. Ultra-sharp stainless steel blades slice each potato into thin, uniform pieces, the key to creating the perfect chip. To remove excess starch, the slices travel through a cold rinse system, ensuring a clean and crisp final texture. Now comes the most crucial part, frying. The potato slices are dropped into massive industrial fryers containing hot oil. Within moments, they transform from soft slices into beautifully golden, crunchy chips. After frying, the chips travel through air blow conveyors to remove extra oil. Then they enter the seasoning drums, where flavors like salted, BBQ, and masala are coated evenly on every chip. Quality control is fully automated. High-speed cameras inspect each chip for size, color, and texture. Any chip that doesn't meet the standard is instantly removed by robotic arms. The perfect chips now move toward packaging. Air jets open every empty Lay's bag, and precise weight machines drop the exact amount of chips inside. The bags are sealed with heat and transported across the line. Robotic systems pack these bags into boxes, label them, and stack them onto pallets. Forklifts load the pallets into trucks, ready to be shipped around the world. And this is how Lay's transforms simple potatoes into the delicious chips we enjoy every day. From farm to factory to your hands, this is the incredible journey of millions of potato chips.
Machine vision system scanning each potato chips for shape, color, and defects. The vibrating conveyor ensures a steady flow of product, essential for the high-speed automated packaging process.